Welcome guys to another profile tree video. So today we're going to be going through a website builder, and it is the GoDaddy website builder. Now, of course, there are a couple of different options, but this would be one of the better ones to choose, especially if you have no technical skills with building a website, or you just want a quick and fast, easy one. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get started with the video. So of course, the first thing here is, what is the GoDaddy website builder? So, for those who don't know, GoDaddy was previously called Websites Plus Marketing, and this website builder is an online editing and publishing tool. You'll be able to create a quick and responsive website that requires no technical knowledge. So, not even coding, nothing to do with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's completely, purely just a non-coding website builder. So, how do I create a site? First, you would want to go and create a GoDaddy account, sign up or use a Google account. You'll either have to answer a couple of questions to get a site built, or pick a design from the available templates. Make sure you could use the drag and drop editor to add your own images, text, or create a form. Of course, it is up to yourselves whether you're trying to create a complex or simple website build. Next, you would want to go ahead and publish the site. Then, of course, you would have to monitor the site, just make sure it's all good. Then, of course, the fourth one, you can expand the website with product listings, blogs, coupons, shopping cart, payment options, and of course that varies if you're creating a non-e-commerce site. So we'll go ahead and furthermore explore GoDaddy. And our next point is, why should I have a website? So not only does this go for GoDaddy, it can occur for other website builders as well. It's always great to have an online website. So when creating an online website, you're showing and creating an online presence. You'll be able to connect to not only locals or your local area, but people around the globe. So depending whether your store is based in England or you're based in Germany and you're only serving towards locals, you are able to give a widespread of your presence towards the entire globe. So if you were in Germany, you can get in contact with people in the UK, especially if you're selling products, whether you're sharing some blogs or inspiration, anything like that. This is, of course, a very, very good way and great way to expand your business. Now, other examples as to why you need one is, you can create a website for your freelancing work. So it's a great way to showcase some of the things that you've done. You can add a multi-page wedding photography business if you wanted to. And of course, another great example of showcasing. Or even a place to blog about your lifestyle or anything in general. So that could be like blogging about food, blogging about cars, nature, anything like that. So in conclusion, having a website will give you a dynamic advantage in the online industry of marketing. So it's just a means to get ranking, get some traffic up, even to build more clients or customers, depending on the situation of the business, of course. So it's always great to have online presence. So always try and just keep that in mind. Build a website if you have a business. Now, of course, with a website builder being so simple, you sort of question whether you can customize the website. And the quick answer to that is yes. Of course, there is an option to create either the website you've built based on questions or the template you've picked out. You could base it on what you need for your business needs. You're able to add content into the website wherever you'd like. Of course, we'll focus on that later on in the video when we actually are on the GoDaddy website builder itself, and I'll be sure to give you guys a tour and just to give you some general knowledge based off that GoDaddy website builder. Now, you can have multiple gallery of images, menus, pricing lists. You can even upload videos, or if you want, add YouTube video links or Vimeo video links. So these are all mainly to do with URL. Next, we've got the fact that your sections are customizable as well. So from the name of the page to your website's navigation bar, and as well as that, you can also change the colors, styles, fonts, and pretty much just the entire site design. So it's always important, if not crucial, to make sure that the website is mobile and desktop friendly. Now, you would want to open your website, of course, to the mobile users. Not everyone uses the desktop. And of course, if the mobile-based version of your website doesn't look up to scratch, then you'll lose some customers or visitors to your site. So always make sure that it's responsive, it's optimized, and just ready for the mobile app or mobile version of your browser website. So our next point here is, can I add a shopping cart? So yes, you can make a website that lets you sell products and services, and this is only if you opt for a e-commerce plan for your business. Now, you'll be able to add products and services, also set up some payment methods or specific types of shipping as well. So, and there's also different payment plans or payment options. And what's also great is that you can add featured products for your visitors to scroll through. And what's also great is that GoDaddy supports PayPal and Apple Pay. And yes, it's used to promote your store for products or for your actual store through coupons. So that's one way to accept some payments. Now, as well as that, you can also use the same type of email marketing that's included with a premium plan. This is to send emails to your customers or subscribers about any coupons, could be any sales, website event, or to your website, sorry, or any events. And of course, like we've said before, having a strong online presence can boost sales. So yes, you can add a shopping cart to GoDaddy. Pretty much just automatically does it for you, especially if you are creating an online store. So our next point here is it possible to link a social media account to my website? Absolutely. So pretty much GoDaddy can act as your online hub. So you can have options to link your Facebook, your Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn to your website. And what's great about having all your social media accounts or platforms all in one area is that you can have visitors visiting your website and checking out all your different areas with social, meaning that they'll have like a seamless experience. On top of that as well, having social media will be a great factor to boosting your online presence as well as connecting to your GoDaddy website. So that's a great reason to even have social media in the first place. So if you guys are scratching your head as to why I need social media, you have to have a place where you can message people, you have to, or message and inquiries, of course, or even keeping folks updated on your current business or whatever else you're promoting. It's just a lot of factors to having an online presence. So our next point is, are SEO tools included with the website builder? So SEO, for those who don't know, is search engine optimization. And yes, of course it is, and the website builder plans come with it, come with built-in SEO tools, to help you with your website and for it to show up within search engines like Google or Bing. You'll find the SEO wizard in the website builder, and a step-by-step guide is provided to show how to optimize each page of your website by adding relevant keywords and a description. So that's pretty much what the SEO tool is, and SEO as well is pretty much just a way to help you rank or gain traffic for visitors, customers. So it's a great way to boost your website as it states. Now we'll go ahead and recap on how do we create a website. So this is pretty much in-depth version of it. So creating a website from GoDaddy requires the least effort or no effort at all. That's easy to set up. So how can we start? Number one, get organized. So either have a wireframe, a sketch, or plan set up for what you want your site to have. This could be images, video categories. Maybe you need a contact page, about us page, or a menu page. So once you've mapped out things you want for your site, you'll make quick progress of the general structure for your website. So it's always great to be organized. And of course, this is your step one. So this is your base, your foundation, and actually creating a website. So it's always good to have a solid plan. Now, number two is choose a website template. So pick a template to get started. These templates are customizable, so you don't have to stick with the current designs. Another option is if you don't want to pick for a default template, you can always go for a blank one. So hit start for free to get generated templates made for the site. So that's just another option. You don't have to pick that if you don't need to. So our next one, is point 4, which is customize your website. So in the editor, you can modify the templates to however you want. Add content, products, business information, even customize the site design with colors, fonts, and layouts. And number 5 is where you would choose your domain. So depending if you have a domain already, you can completely skip this step. But you have to be sure that you have a domain registered, so actual visitors or customers can easily identify your business from your site's online address. Number 6 is optimize your website for search engine, so SEO pretty much. So once you have a plan set in place, you can use a premium SEO optimizer to ensure your site can be found easily on the search engines like Google or Bing. And lastly, of course, which is the final step, which is to launch your site. So the final step, get your site published and watch the business grow. Be sure you look over the site once it's live. Ensure there's no issues by managing it and updating it. And make sure you're checking for reviews and being active on social media. Of course, you want to stay active for your socials if you want to increase that SEO and ranking. So this is only if there's any links towards that site. And also ensure there's no issues with any of the devices. So this would be your desktop, most importantly your mobile optimization and tablet optimization. Make sure they're both up to scratch and making sure that you don't have any responsive issues. So pretty much we've covered all the points that we need in order to create and get started with PowerPoint and even get an insight or GoDaddy, to just get an insight of the GoDaddy website builder. What we'll do is we'll check out the website builder itself, and I'll just give you guys a tour about. So pretty much create a blank template or choose one of the templates available. So I'll see you guys on the website builder now. So guys, this here is our GoDaddy website builder. So this is how it looks. This is how you start off. Of course, I am currently now logged in. To create your website, you would go ahead and select the start for free. Now, of course, there are other options here. Also shows you how to create your website. You can view a couple of the templates available. You've even got a scroller here to show you. Even have a contact us just in case you need some support, just depending whether you are creating a website. So pretty much just explore the GoDaddy website builder itself there. Now what's next is, of course, we have all the available website options. Now we could choose from websites or the online stores. And of course, if we select the websites, these are a couple of the websites there. And with the online stores, this is with the online stores. Now, what we can do is view some of the templates available. So all I need to do is go to the website templates or the online store. So I'll just select this and pretty much just choose one. So just say personal and blog. There are some of the templates available. So there's personal blog, website templates, the list goes on pretty much for it. And then of course, whatever's applicable for you, depending on your category, then you could choose some of the available categories. So that's of course depending on your service, depending of course if you're running a regular site or a e-commerce site, that's pretty much all there for you. Now another thing is we'll go ahead and check out the plans and pricing before we jump into one of the other plans there. So this is something to consider as well. These are the plans available for GoDaddy. We have basic, we've got standard, premium, and an e-commerce. And we're starting off at around $4.99 with our basic. So it's a £60 payment as of today. You've got the $7.99 as well, $11.99 for premium. And if you do want to run an e-commerce site, then you would have to pay the $13.99 per month. And below shows you the features available for it. So of course, just be a little bit careful when doing this. As you can see with the basic, you don't have any SEO, so it won't help your website rank at all, meaning that you'll be one of the lowest. You want to make sure you rank at around top 10. And standard, premium, and e-commerce, they're all available for you. Same goes as well for your other areas there. So domain, SSL, you just want to make sure that everything's in place for your features. So going back to GoDaddy itself, so if you want to create a blank template, all you need to do is select start for free. It'll give you this grayish black screen, ask you to choose a category, and it'll probably pop up. Okay, so there's a site that we worked on yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and select and start a new site and continue. Now, it gives you a couple of categories there. There's band, IT services, gaming, real estate agent, marketing consultant. So that's a couple of options that you can choose. And then when if depending on what category you are, so just say we're like auto repair store, I could do that. Click next. Auto repair, just call that for the name of the website. It'll ask you either 2 or 3 questions, just depending. And for the I have, so it'll say how far along is your business or project. It's just an idea at the moment. Hasn't launched yet, but I'm working on it. Launched recently. It's been up and running for a while now. I'll just say it's been up and running for a while now, and just say, so what site do we want to create today? Something simple that doesn't take a lot of time. And then you could choose either coming soon or a full build website. Once you've clicked that green little button there, it'll go ahead and set up the website for you. So as you can see from the background, there is our website. And it also links to the category within what you've said. So the keyword was auto repair, so it's linked me to the closest image. And of course I can add sections. I can have my navigation here and add pages, links, or drop down menus. Have it show within the navigation or the footer, or have it as a private page. I can also change the theme if I want with the color, fonts. So that's pretty much the site page. And then of course with my settings is where I can publish the site, connect domains, add a favicon, which is just a little image on your tab. You've got the site history. Pretty much if you create any mistakes, you can go and reset it back. And this will pretty much just start you over. So overall, a very, very easy website builder to use. So I would recommend it if you have zero technical skills with it. Regardless, some people also use GoDaddy as a hosting platform, especially if you're wanting to host a website that you've built elsewhere, then you can host it through here. It just depends how you want to use GoDaddy, but again, recommended if you are a beginner and you have zero technical skills. So that's just a quick little overview over GoDaddy. 100% would recommend it, as I said, just for something easy to use. But folks, that's about as much as I can cover with the GoDaddy platform builder. Of course, if I have missed anything, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, I'll see you guys for the next one. Thank you very much.